Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. As they say, big jugs comes in small packages. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated package from Buy and Ship. And this, if I'm not mistaken, consolidates 4 things. Oops, sorry. And one of the thing contains something that we wanting. that we've been wanting. Anyway, so let me try to get it out of plastic first. And you'll get to see what I mean. So it's small, but it's been packed tightly. Too tight actually, that it's a struggle to get them out. See, another warning behind the warning. Okay, see, we have another package inside a package. Let's open this now. But at least it seems to be secured because it's double sealed. And is it gonna be triple sealed? It will be the first for me. Okay. So we have here some of the items. Oops. Oh, there's only 2. Let's see. There seems to be only 2 items here. But let's open it. That's a bit surprising. I thought there was 4 here, but maybe it's clustered together. Let's find out. First one. Okay, finally, after a couple of minutes, we're opening now the box that contains, okay. So this contains some of my pulls from the brick break of Realms of Friends Championship. Lucky dice game. Oh well. Anyway, so I usually join the brick break, and this one is no exception. So we pulled Morlun. Okay. Rare booster for us, Morlun, Gwen. We have Miles, Norman Osborn. Oh, sorry. And another Miles, translucent Miles. Okay. And the cards are here. But they're not the highlights of that particular box. We're just checking that everything is in order. Okay, so they're not the highlights. The highlight is in paper bag. But we have here the Bloodstone. Okay, actually, the Crimson Gem. There's no Bloodstone here. Okay, we have the Bloodstone card and the Crimson Gem item. Okay. So the other half must be in the other box. Let's hope. Okay, so I've been ordering for a lot of items that sometimes I forget what is in what package. Okay. Couple that with the fact that I am from the Philippines, and if I buy abroad, I usually add like 3 to 4 weeks to the timeline before I get it. Okay, so it's really hard to recall all of this. Okay, there we go. Box number 2 hopefully would contain the corresponding items, and we see a bubble wrap, always a good thing, and we see plastic. Okay, there we go. We see the Crimson Gem card. Okay. And we see the Juggernaut figure. Yay! One big jug. Let's see. There he is. One big jug. There it is. Where's the Crimson Gem? And the Crimson Gem equipment. Okay. So everything is in order. We have Juggernaut, the Crimson Gem. We have the Ulysses Bloodstone. And Spider-Man holes. Okay, so what do you guys think? But I think this is the only thing that matters to me. The Juggernaut. Okay. He is big. So that's one big Juggs. Share your thoughts in the comments and bye-bye.